Right the way through it.
Go on.
Right, well, this is a setup to make this ion lifter fly. What we basically got here, starting off the variac, variable transformer, is going into a car battery charger set up for 24 volts. We've got a series of smoothing capacitors here, so that hopefully we have a reasonably smooth voltage, 24 volts DC, coming out here into a Royer oscillator, which is basically a high frequency switch, and into a high voltage ignition coil. Then we've got a series of high voltage diodes. This is effectively a rectifier, bridge rectifier, but we've put several diodes. I think there's 5 on each side. They're 10 kilowatt diodes, so we've basically got the possibility of going up to around 50 kilovolts, and a series of high voltage capacitors, again in series, so as to spread the voltage. And then we come out here into the 2 leads, up through a load of small resistors. That is basically giving us a very high voltage resistor. Any one of these would just arc across. That's in order to get a smoother current. What we found in the experiments is that the smoothness of current into the ion lifter itself is pretty much everything. If it's a spiky voltage, then you're just going to get arcing and discharge, and in fact, as you can see on this one, you'll end up burning the legs. And that's pretty much it for the setup. Do we actually want to talk through the lifter itself?
Yes.
Okay, so basically we've got a thin wire at the top and a relatively fat skirt underneath. We'll have a much higher charge density on the thin wire than on the fat skirt, which ionizes the air around the thin wire, and these ionized air atoms are then attracted towards the surface of the skirt beneath. So you've got a net downwards motion of air, which is effectively lifting this whole thing up, because this skirt is being attracted up towards the negative ions in the same way as they're being attracted down. So hopefully what you're going to see is flight.
Thank you.
Thanks. That's good low voltage.
Okay, you turn it on. That's it. All done.